into accepting whatever fantasized reality. It just disturbs me. And then they throw in the scripts. You might be, I might be. Stupidity. It's targeting me. Just sometimes, I laugh when I make these videos, and it's just the laughter is not because what I'm dealing with is fun. It's because it's almost delusional. Let me just say, it's comical to a level that's just beyond stupid. And I don't know if they think that it's working with the brainwashing. Like they think that it's like something that's working. Like, if I say that now, then it's gonna go together and I'm gonna be boxing this thought. It's such a mess. And it's so stupid. For example, right now, what just made me imagine? I just moved to this place not too long ago. When I moved to this place not too long ago, immediately the neighbors will have like their kids do things around here. I remember going out, and there was two little kids, one little girl, one little boy, and they had like pizza in their hands, like a box of pizza, happy as hell, like laughing. The kids, the parents probably told them, go grab it. Baby, those kids don't know anything. They're just laughing. They're just happy to be like, that to them is fun. At first I was mad because like, you look at that, they have their children walk around here because they want me to look at their kids and be like matching, basically manipulate my brain and act like they're protecting children. But I couldn't get too mad because these kids looked so happy doing that, because they don't know what it was happening. They were just like laughing, grabbing this. I was like, oh my gosh, they're so innocent. They don't even understand the nastiness that the parents are telling them to do. They did whatever manipulation they can make me have in regard of experiences, but like I couldn't even get mad at those kids. They just look too happy doing these things. In their mind, they thought it was like they had like this little mission, little purpose, and they're like happy about it, right? So I couldn't even be like angry, even though I knew the reason why they had these children walk around here is so when I see them, they can do this manipulation that can make me have these experiences that's degrading. So they try to do these things where they tell me they're framing me, right? All kind of frame. And this is bad because they tried first to do that toward this like 9-year-old, but I had my camera on. That's later on. Now I have my camera on all the time. So when whatever storylines they come up with, because they don't give a damn about how falsifying reality can be, they don't care. They can make you like they are coming up with stories of all sorts. They will try to come up with a story that, because if there's a video I made a while ago, and there was this poor 9-year-old scared. The reason why she was scared is because what was happening is they will have their kids, as I was working, playing in the hallways and like shooting a ball, kicking a ball. It was loud, right? And I was working, and I got mad. I was like, let me go throw away this thing and see what's going on in the hallway. Go outside, and I see this kid. I have the camera on. At this point, I'm like, I understand. I'm going to film whatever's going to happen here. The first thing, there's a bunch of guys. There's a bunch of children, and some of them are boys, right? When they see me, one of the boys just act like kind of dumb and just starts scratching his head. But this one little 9-year-old, and you see the picture of that, she just like frozen. She was trying to get out. She was scared. She actually was the smartest. They tried to they manipulated my brain to have this disgusting experiences. But she was the smartest one because her instinct was her reflection was just go back in, which is smart. Because they do these things to target individuals that will push target individuals to lose their mind. That's why you hear the mass shootings. Now, of course, I will not want to harm any of these babies. They're kids. They're really kids. They're not even this teenage trash. Those are a different story. Those, I'm telling you, if they have this little tantrum in front of me, I will be happy to take it to wherever level it needs to. But the children, like the little children, no, these babies are really innocent. And but especially that little 9-year-old, I felt bad for her. She was truly scared. Because she knew what she was involved in is supposed to annoy and disturb somebody. She was actually the smartest out of everybody because she knows, like, okay, when we do these things that are supposed to annoy, disturb people get mad, angry, and anger brings out the things. So she had the right thing to do. But she stayed there, and you see me in the video, you can see her just like weird posing way. But they were trying to then make me imagine that what happened there is like I did something to this kid. All I did is go throw the trash, and I had the camera on. So the whole thing is you can see in my camera, in my video. But also I made a video right after that, and you can see this little girl. So they try to bring up things where I don't have my camera on, so they can come up with the stories they want. So what they do, they bring up when I just moved in, and these two little kids, one little girl, one little boy, walking with the pizza, happy, like just like and like, yeah, no, you touch this girl, touches it, it's trash ass. And immediately when they try to make me imagine that, what they start saying, oh, you might be, huh? Might be. You were, you might be. The things they go through in their repetitive things to try to get me to accept these things. I will never let that, I will never let this trash leave that fantasy. They think that they are being suspicious, like, it's working. Like, the way they're just brainwashing, the repetitive is, so, okay, bring this trash. They live in this reality where it's fabricated, and they call it their reality. Now, if they bring in this reality that's fabricated, that they call theirs, and they come toward me and think that this fabricated reality that they call theirs is gonna be something I'll be like, yeah, oh, crash out immediately. They can go be like, you might be. Fucking trash. I might be. I'm like, okay, trash. I might be. I subscribe to that. Come on with the story. I might be. Come on. I'm not here to threat anybody. But if this mentally challenged retards, gaslighting, dumbness, think I might be, it's gonna be something that is gonna make me subscribe to these things? Never. But the might be thing is, back, go look a might be video. Look up I might be and see where this is referring to. These clowns really think that I'm gonna let that, okay, I might be. Come over here with that fucking retardation of your falsified stories. Talking Rachel, stay strong. Stay strong. I pray that these clowns do these things in front of me. And I'll be like, I might be, huh? I might be. You hear that noise? I might be, right? I might be. Huh. I might be. I'm saying that purposely in front of my door so they understand. I might be. I'll subscribe. You hear that? That's when reality is gonna crash out. That's when the problem is gonna happen. It was a neighbor who mad, just tried to make noise campaign because they really think I'm gonna be like, she starts slamming the doors. Like, I swear to God, it's gonna be a problem. Well, this retards think I might be is gonna make me subscribe to these false memories, to these falsified narratives, to what they've created. It will be my pleasure to ensure that any of this loserness, trash the government contract, who have failed this gaslighting, brainwashing, it's not even, I can't even call it brainwashing at this point. It's so diluted. It's so retarded. I can't even let that go. I can't even imagine. I can't even call it brainwashing because brainwashing puts too much intellect into this. This is just pure retardation. It's just pure agitation. But clowns who come up with the stories and they say, you might be, huh? I might be. Yeah, I might be. I'm not being manipulated. Come over here. I might be. That's true. Yes, this really happened. Come on. Talking visuals, stay strong. These trash they have no self-respect. For me, I pray that they behave in these ways. In front of me. I was about to go outside when this trash was making this noise campaign. I was like, hey, I might be, right? Oh. Talking visual, stay strong.